We're doing it on Omega. Episode 357, Part 1. DRYTRON versus SALAMANGREAT. Here we go. Not a good hand here. Zeta, Delta, 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 effect, reveal, and I drew a red-eyes fusion. God dang it. Fafnir gets Veilered. And my turn, yeah, it's tough. Oh, I could have actually, no, nothing. Just playing salads. Circle for Foxy. Foxy. Activate effect. Adding the Sanctuary, and I rolled him. Went for the Balinks, Barrel Exceed. Effect. Field spell. Went for a Baguska. Sets a card, reincarnate Link, battled. Balinks destroys Fafnir. Activate Red-Eyes Fusion, ashed me. Set a monster, end my turn. Switch to attack. He attacks. Direct. Come on. Drew the ultimateness. What was that? What was I trying to do here? Oh, Delta ultimateness, so I get the draw. Then I get hit with another Ash. Desires. Mining. Gazelle. Foxy effect. Adds the Will of Salamangreat. Activates Will of Salamangreat. Special summons Foxy. Update Jammer. Gazelle's effect. Gazelle. Dump. Spinny. Spinny's effect. Special summon from the grave. Those two for transcode. Using Update Jammer. Special summons Update Jammer. Goes for the access code. Update Jammer access code. So I could attack twice now. Jeez. Wide open access code twice. Oh! Part 2. I win this one. Part 2. Not bad, not bad. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Zeta Alpha. Zeta Benton. Fafnir. And he hit me with the effect Veiler. And decided to Orange Light negate. Fafnir dump Gamma. Benton. Reduce, add, Gamma, tribute Benton, special summon Alpha, Gamma's effect, adding Natasha. Okay. Went for the Verte, IP, normal summoned. I was gonna go with Boral Sword with these three on his turn, but he just surrendered. Let's duel wings. And game 3 I bricked. Such a bad hand. Like, look at this. Red Eyes and Dark Magician. Falco, summon, link it off for Veilings. Veilings effect, Sanctuary, Sanctuary. Activate, reincarnate link with Sanctuary. He ends his turn right there. Diviner. I was gonna try to pop this back row. Could have been a roar or a rage. Thinking in my head, but then he effect veilered it. Dang. Then I Zeta Benten. Adding the ritual. Benten. And he chained it. He had rage set, so I popped it. God dang it. Fucking rage. Could have battled, but he could have just protected himself, and then that would have been wide open. Well, summons Foxy, Foxy effect. Adds the roar. Sets the roar. Falco effect. Return special summon. Linked it off for Wolf. Reincarnate link using the field spell. Wolf effect. If it's a reincarnated link, you could add a what is it? Add spell trap. Salamangreat. Monster reborn for the other wolf. Wolf's effect now. Add Falco. And for the transcode bring back. Wolf. Destroy, transcode, direct. Not looking so good here. What was it? Zeta, Natasha, and then roar. Just negated it. End my turn, can't do nothing. Summons Foxy. Add Spinny. Spinny. Targets transcode, increasing its attack. Spinny, special summon. Reincarnate link, that is his third Sunlight Wolf. So we could set the roar, activate the rage, pop that. Yeah. Sunlight Wolf's just gonna get back the rage and set it again. Battle. No access code or transcode talker here. Or transcode. No update jammer transcode or update jammer access code. Oh, dang it. Let's see if he has a deck here. He doesn't have a deck, unfortunately. Okay. Play online. We were at 1517. 1501. Still at 181. 181. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.